A dream to become the leader. A challenge to be the best in industry. A passion to deliver 100% customer satisfaction. Truecolor Uniforms is a flagship brand of Innovative Industries Private Limited. Welcome to the arena of uniform fabrics. Truecolor Uniforms. The yarn goes into preparatory weaving where machines such as direct warping, weaving machines, sulzer, and jacquards are used to making the supreme quality fabrics. Weaving textiles since 2 decades. Truecolor Uniforms has the state-of-the-art manufacturing unit with annual production of 2.4 million meters with fabrics that boasts from varied uniform range. Truecolor Uniforms employs cutting-edge technologies to convert yarn into completed fabrics utilizing the most recent Swiss machinery. The finest quality fabrics are ensured by our sizable weaving process, which uses imported machinery. Truecolor Uniforms is situated at Rico Industrial Area in Bhilwara of Rajasthan over an area of 40,000 square feet, supplying goods to market leaders and well-known brands. Since its founding, it has delivered quality and has decades of experience. Zero defect dyeing ensures color fastness, shrinkage control and soft feel. Singeing procedures are strictly followed to be sure of fabrics with anti-pilling properties. Quality check in color consistency at each stage leads to supreme quality fabrics. Only the best and highest quality products are released and reach maximum customer satisfaction thanks to the rigorous oversight of the Quality Control Department, which evaluates the quality at every stage. Exceptional team of experts look after new design development, seamless customer support and smooth production process. Come to witness the undying dedication of Truecolor Uniforms towards its mission and vision. A successful journey of committed and dedicated entrepreneurship. Truecolor Uniforms towards its mission and vision.